AI could create the next generation of millionaires, and it's already happening. Right now, trillions of dollars are quietly moving into one single sector. Most people have no idea what's coming, but the smart money already knows. AI is no longer the future, it is the present, and it is accelerating fast. The companies leading this revolution, their stocks are climbing like never before. And if you miss this window, you may regret it for years. Today, we reveal the top AI stocks that could explode by 2030. Stay until the end, because the last one might surprise you the most. In 2022, ChatGPT launched, and the world changed overnight. 100 million users joined in just 2 months, the fastest in history. Since then, AI has started writing code, designing products, and even running businesses automatically. AI smartphones can now see, hear, and think, just like a human assistant. Self-driving cars are already on the roads, powered entirely by AI chips. And AI robots are entering factories, hospitals, and homes, replacing millions of tasks. This is not science fiction anymore. This is happening right now, all around you. Every major industry on Earth is being rebuilt, from the ground up, by AI. Healthcare AI is diagnosing cancer faster than many human doctors. AI is managing billions in stock trades, every single second, automatically. YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, all powered by AI systems deciding what you watch next. Even the voice assistants in your home are getting smarter every single day. The AI revolution is not slowing down, it is doubling in power every year. Companies spending the most on AI right now are the ones shaping the future. Google, Amazon, Apple, all racing in the biggest technology war ever seen. The AI market is expected to reach $1.8 trillion by 2030. And the biggest winners will be those who invested early, before the crowd arrived. Smart investors are not waiting. They are already positioning themselves. AI chip demand is exploding. Factories cannot keep up. Massive data centers are being built across America, consuming enormous power. Microsoft alone has invested over $13 billion into AI development. And when trillion-dollar companies bet their future on AI, you should pay attention. AI is not a trend. It is the single biggest wealth transfer in human history. Every generation gets one massive opportunity. This is yours, right now. The investors who understood the internet in 1995 became extraordinarily wealthy. And AI is widely believed to be 10 times bigger than the internet ever was. Today, pension funds, hedge funds, and even governments are aggressively buying AI assets. But retail investors, everyday people like you, still have a small window to act. Because opportunities like this do not stay open forever. Today, we are going to break down 3 AI stocks that stand above all others. And these companies are not just surviving the AI revolution, they are leading it. Take notes, because this could genuinely change your financial perspective. Stock number 1, NVIDIA. Stock number 1, NVIDIA, the undisputed king of artificial intelligence chips. Without NVIDIA's chips, ChatGPT, Gemini, and nearly every major AI system would not exist. In just 1 year, NVIDIA's stock surged over 200%, shocking even Wall Street. Today, every major AI company is competing to secure NVIDIA's powerful H100 chips. But NVIDIA is not just a chip company. It is the foundation of the entire AI economy. Founded by Jensen Huang in 1993, NVIDIA has now evolved into a trillion-dollar empire. Their new Blackwell architecture is reportedly many times more powerful than previous generations. AI supercomputers powered by NVIDIA are solving problems once considered impossible. From self-driving cars to robotics to medical AI, NVIDIA is everywhere. Even the gaming industry still generates billions for the company, while AI demand multiplies that growth. Major cloud providers like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft all rely heavily on NVIDIA hardware. Analysts even suggest NVIDIA could reach a multi-trillion-dollar valuation before 2030. And if you had invested $10,000 just a few years ago, it could have grown into over $200,000 today. NVIDIA is not slowing down. It is accelerating with every quarter. Because owning NVIDIA is essentially owning a piece of the AI revolution itself. Stock number 2, Microsoft. Stock number 2, Microsoft, the quiet giant now dominating the AI race. Microsoft invested $13 billion into OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. That single move is now worth over $100 billion and still growing. Microsoft's AI Copilot is now integrated into Word, Excel, Teams, and every major business tool. Which means every company using Microsoft software is now indirectly paying for AI. Microsoft Azure is the second largest cloud platform on Earth, and AI is now turbocharging it. Businesses worldwide are paying Microsoft more every single month just to access AI tools. GitHub Copilot is already transforming how millions of developers write code forever. With nearly 2 billion Windows users worldwide, Microsoft's AI reach is almost unmatched. Microsoft has survived every major technology shift for over 50 years, and AI may be its biggest yet. Analysts now rank Microsoft as one of the safest long-term AI investments available today. Microsoft also pays dividends, meaning investors can earn passive income while the stock grows. If this momentum continues, Microsoft could become the world's first $10 trillion company. Microsoft is no longer just a software company. It is an AI empire in motion. Next, the company whose AI touches your life every single day without you even realizing it. Stock number 3, Alphabet. Stock number 3, Alphabet Inc., the parent company of Google and YouTube. Google processes over 8.5 billion searches every single day worldwide. And every search generates advertising revenue, powered by advanced AI systems. Last year alone, Alphabet generated over $300 billion in revenue, largely driven by AI and advertising. Google's Gemini AI is now competing directly with ChatGPT and improving rapidly. YouTube has over 2 billion users, and nearly every video is recommended by AI systems. Google Maps, Google Translate, and Google Photos all rely on deep machine learning. Waymo, Alphabet's self-driving division, is already operating in multiple U.S. cities. DeepMind has even solved complex scientific problems that took decades to understand. Alphabet's advertising AI becomes smarter every single day and more profitable with it. The company also holds over $100 billion in cash, giving it massive firepower for future AI expansion. With AI search, AI ads, AI video, and AI cloud, Alphabet's competitive moat is extremely strong. Owning Alphabet stock means you potentially benefit from every search, every click, and every view. NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Alphabet Inc. Together, these three companies form the backbone of the global AI economy. And now, let's look at something that puts everything into perspective. If you had invested just $1,000 in NVIDIA in 2019, it would be worth over $30,000 today. A $1,000 investment in Microsoft in 2016 would now be worth over $12,000. Early investors in Google saw returns of over 6,000%, life-changing wealth. But while some people built generational wealth, others waited and watched the opportunity pass by. Waiting for the perfect moment is the most expensive mistake an investor can ever make. Every single day you delay, early investors move further ahead of you. But here's the truth. It is still not too late if you start taking action right now. The AI boom is still in its early chapters, and the biggest gains may still lie ahead. Warren Buffett once said, "The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best is today." Early Amazon investors ignored the noise and became some of the wealthiest people in history. And the same story is unfolding again, right now, with AI. The wealth gap between AI investors and non-investors by 2030 could be enormous. So, the real question is, which side of that line do you want to be on? The choice is yours. Step-by-step action plan. The next few minutes could be the most important part of your financial journey. You don't need to be rich to start investing in AI stocks. You can begin with as little as $50. Step 1. Open a brokerage account today using platforms like Fidelity, Schwab, or Robinhood. Step 2. Buy fractional shares, meaning you can own a piece of NVIDIA for just $10. Step 3. Invest consistently every single month, no matter what the market is doing. Step 4. Never panic sell during market dips, because dips are opportunities, not disasters. Step 5. Diversify across all three giants, NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Alphabet. A balanced portfolio across these companies can reduce risk significantly over time, because time in the market always beats timing the market. Wealth principles. Compound interest is one of the most powerful forces in wealth creation. Investing just $100 every month in AI stocks could potentially build serious wealth by 2030. But remember, never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Only invest surplus capital. The stock market has recovered from every single crash in history. And AI stocks carry the strongest technological tailwind the world has ever seen. Education is your greatest investment. The more you understand AI, the better your decisions become. Follow earnings reports, watch industry news, and stay informed. Investor mindset. Think in years, not days. In decades, not weeks. That is the mindset of a true investor. The people who win by 2030 are not the ones who waited. They are the ones who started today. Final message. Your future self will either thank you for starting today or regret that you didn't. So, take the first step. Set up automatic investing. And let the power of AI-driven companies work for you, silently, over time. You now have the knowledge. The only thing left is courage. You have just learned what most people will never take the time to understand. NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Alphabet Inc. These are not just stocks. They are gateways to the future of artificial intelligence. The AI revolution could create more millionaires this decade than any technological shift before it. And some of those future millionaires may already be watching this video right now. The question is, will you be one of them? Every fortune begins with a single decision, made at exactly the right moment. And for AI investing, that moment is not yesterday. And it is not tomorrow. It is today. Imagine waking up 5 years from now and realizing your investments quietly transformed your entire life. The decisions you make in the next 30 days could shape your family's future for decades. Financial freedom is not reserved for the lucky. It is built by disciplined people, making smart decisions consistently. And the companies we discussed today are already owned by some of the smartest investors on Earth. Now, you hold the same knowledge. The only difference is whether you choose to act on it. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Because every week, we uncover new opportunities shaping the future of AI. And share this video with someone who deserves to see this opportunity before it's too late. Comment below. Which AI company excites you the most? NVIDIA? Microsoft? Or Alphabet Inc.? The future belongs to the people who prepare for it before everyone else. And your journey starts now. Every empire, every fortune, every dynasty in history started with one brave decision. The people who built generational wealth never waited for permission. They simply acted while others hesitated. AI is moving forward, with or without your participation. And 10 years from now, you may look back at this exact moment and realize it changed everything. The wealthiest version of yourself is waiting on the other side of consistent action. NVIDIA builds the brain of AI. Microsoft builds the infrastructure. And Alphabet Inc. powers the information layer. Together, they form one of the most powerful technology ecosystems ever created. 5 years from now, your biggest regret may not be losing money, but never starting in the first place. You are not only investing in stocks, you are investing in the future of human civilization. The greatest opportunities often appear while most people are still asleep. And this may be your sign. So, take one action today. Open an account. Research a company. Invest your first dollar. Because momentum begins with movement. We believe in your ability to build the future you and your family deserve. The AI revolution is already here. It is real. And it may become the greatest financial opportunity of our lifetime. Your future begins now, so go build it. And we will see you in the next video.